So y'all, Asian doll did respond to the baby shower situation, to the baby situation of King Von, and she was like, her and Von did not talk June, July, August, September, nor October until he booked her into the for that show just for him to see her. And y'all, honestly, I think Kayla did it out of spite to get Asian attention, and it did not bother Asian a bit. Kayla got to try something else. But y'all, I did capture those tweets that Asian tweeted about the situation, and it will be in this video coming up very soon. Here they go. Y'all can read it on y'all own. But y'all, leave y'all opinions on what y'all think about the situation, because me, it's petty at this point. And I love Asian growth. Y'all continue to keep Asian in y'all prayers and King Von family. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank y'all so much for supporting my channel. And until next time.